If your Cadillac CT5 is refusing to launch Apple CarPlay, don't head to the dealership just yet. Most connection failures are software glitches that can be cleared in under 60 seconds. Let's walk through the troubleshooting playbook to get your maps and music back on screen. A clean slate is usually the best way to force a new, stable handshake between your phone and the car. Sometimes the issue isn't the Cadillac at all, but a hidden setting within your iPhone's security menu. If you use a wired connection, ensure you are using an official Apple or MFI certified cable. If wireless is failing, plugging in directly can help determine if the Wi-Fi module in the car is the culprit. Only about 10% of these cases require a physical repair at a Cadillac service center. Clearing the infotainment cache can remove corrupted pairing data that prevents a fresh connection. Testing with a second iPhone is the fastest way to confirm if the car's hardware is actually the problem. Remember that a simple restart of both your phone and the car fixes nearly every software hang. If these steps helped you get back on the road, hit subscribe for more Cadillac troubleshooting playbooks.